This simple guide will show you how to manage territories in HubSpot. If you're working in sales, you know how crucial it is to organize your team's efforts efficiently across different regions. Although HubSpot doesn't have a dedicated territory button, don't worry, it's still quite straightforward to set up and manage territories using custom properties and workflows. Let's dive right in. To start, we need to create a property that will serve as the foundation for our territories. You'll want to navigate to your HubSpot account and head over to the settings icon, which you can find in the main navigation bar. Once you're there, look for the property setting. In properties, you have the ability to create a custom property. This is essential because it allows you to tailor your HubSpot account precisely to your organization's needs. Name this new property Sales Territory. It's important to think through the options you want to include here. Typically, these options are geography based, such as different states, regions, or countries where your sales team operates. This way, you can assign each contact or company to the appropriate territory. After setting up your sales territory property, the next step is to incorporate it into your workflow. Workflows in HubSpot are a powerful feature that automates processes and can save you a ton of time. Go to the automation section in your HubSpot dashboard and select workflows. Here, you'll create a new workflow. It's going to be based on the property you just created, sales territory. The idea is to automatically assign new contacts or companies to a sales territory based on specific criteria. For example, you can use the contact's location to determine their territory. Setting up these criteria is key. You want to ensure that the workflow captures the right data to make the assignment. You can use filters such as geographical information, like zip codes or country names, to automatically sort your contacts. This is where you'll decide exactly how contacts are assigned to each territory. Once your criteria are set, make sure to test the workflow to ensure it's functioning as expected. You don't want any surprises once it's live. Another tip for effective territory management is to regularly review and update your territories. As your business grows or market conditions change, you might find that the territories you initially set up need adjusting. You can go back into your properties and workflows to make these changes as necessary. It's also helpful to communicate these changes with your sales team. Ensure everyone is on the same page about which territories they are responsible for. Regular meetings or updates can help keep the team aligned and aware of any shifts or new strategies. Remember, while HubSpot doesn't have a one-click solution for territories, using custom properties and workflows provides a flexible and efficient way to manage your sales regions. With these tools, you can ensure that your team is targeting the right prospects in the right areas, ultimately driving better sales performance. So there you have it. You're now ready to manage territories in HubSpot effectively. Thanks for tuning in, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more HubSpot tips and tricks. Happy selling!